Thank you so much. So please be conscious of the sequences that I'm announcing. So we will be starting with Isha and we'll be moving forward to Guneshwari, Priyanka Yadav, Nisha, Sangeeta, Dimpy, Pradanya. Hi Isha.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm also good ma'am.
Great. Are we ready?
Yes ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Yes. I'm Isha Puswani from the beautiful city Kalyan, Mumbai. I'm a housewife as well as nail artist too. If you can believe, you can achieve with my motto. Can I start ma'am? Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much. I would request Shelza to comment upon your performance.
Hello, Isha. Good evening to you. How are you?
I'm fine ma'am.
I quite like the way you have used the space. I'm not sure where you are. Maybe it's your workplace where you are done the ramp walk, but it's a very nice idea, you know, and the dress that you're wearing is very formal. It's just that had it been a little shorter till your knee length, I would have been able to appreciate your walk a little more. But nevertheless, jury members have the 3D eyes to see the walk. So you walked well. And my compliments to you. Keep up the good work. It's just that when you're walking, get little more zingy when you walk. Okay,
Yeah.
so there has to be a little bit of bubbliness when you're walking. Okay, otherwise everything was fine. Your makeup, your the way you've dressed up with your jewelry, everything is very nice. So all the very best to you, Isha. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much. Next, we have Guneshwari. Hi, Guneshwari.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Are we ready?
Yes.
Great. Go ahead. All the best.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Guneshwari Gadke. I'm from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'll start my ramp walk by going back. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Guneshwari. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelza.
Good evening to you, Guneshwari. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I quite loved your heels and your confidence with heels. You walked with the good stance, in the sense that, you know, your one leg was in front of the other while you were walking. It's just the way you need to walk at a pageantry during a ramp walk. Your stance is nice. Your shoulders are rolled back. I'm very happy with your walk. It's just that experiment with your expressions. Rest, your dress, your walk, your heels, everything was bang on. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Guneshwari. Next, we have Priyanka. Jury members, there are 2 Priyankas in this batch. So this one is Priyanka Yadav. Hi, Priyanka. Are we ready? Go ahead. All the best.
Good evening, everyone, and lovely judges. I'm Priyanka Yadav and 25-year-old. I'm from Haryana. I have completed my graduation from Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry. Now I'm doing internship from my college. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. And over to you, Sharda.
Priyanka, how are you doing today? Priyanka, how are you doing today? Can you hear me? Yeah, so I quite loved your walk. From your expressions to your dress, to your heels, to your walk, everything was great. So just keep up the good work, keep the confidence level going. And I'm very happy with your walk. So all the best to you. God bless.
Thank you, Priyanka. Next, we have Nisha Kumari Gupta, and jury members, again, there are 2 Nishas. So this one is Nisha Kumari Gupta. And post her, the sequence would be Sangeeta, Dimpy, Pradanya, Leena, and Jyotsna. Hi, Nisha.
रुक जाओ. Hello, ma'am.
जी, आप ready हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Sorry. Thank you, ma'am. बंद कर.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much. And over to you, Shelza. Shelza, आप mute पे हो.
कैसे हैं आप, Nisha?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very good. I quite like the red that you're wearing today. It's bringing a lot of energy to your video. And you walked well. सिर्फ आप इस बात का ध्यान रखें कि जब आप चलते हैं तो थोड़ा स्लो चलें. आप थोड़ा ज्यादा तेज walk कर रहे थे. That's
Okay.
it. Okay. Otherwise, you are doing a good job. So just keep up with this that I have suggested to you. Okay.
Okay.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much. Next, we have Sangeeta. Hi, Sangeeta.
हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू?
I am good. आप कैसी हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम.
शुरू करें? Are we ready?
यस मैम.
Go ahead. All the best.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Good evening, Sangeeta. कैसे हैं आप?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
Very nice. So आपने walk बहुत अच्छा किया, लेकिन शायद आपने वीडियो आज किसको पकड़ाया हुआ है बनाने के लिए?
बहन थी.
हाँ, तो वो उन्होंने क्या किया है ना, आपका वीडियो में आधा बेड दिख रहा था, आधे आप दिख रहे थे. तो थोड़ा सा इस बात का ध्यान रखें कि जब वीडियो बना रहे हैं ना, पहले आप एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लिया करो. उसके ऊपर कैमरा स्टैंड पे या किसी को खड़ा करना भी अगर आपने है, सो दैट वो आपको पता चले कि आप दिख रहे हैं कि नहीं. आप दिख रहे थे लेकिन आधे दिख रहे थे. और जब आप टर्न करते हैं, सो दैट इज अ वेरी क्रूशियल पार्ट इन अ रैंप वॉक. तो आपने वो जो टर्न है ना, वो थोड़ा स्लो करना है. ठीक है. और वॉक जो है उसमें हाथ बहुत ज्यादा नहीं हिलाते हैं, वेस्ट हिलाते हैं, कमर हिलती है. ठीक है. तो आप मेरे वीडियोस देखिए जाके, आपको पता चलेगा. उसकी आप थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके. और आपके एक्सप्रेशंस बहुत अच्छे थे.
ओके मैम.
गॉड ब्लेस.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you so much. Next, we have Dimpy. Hi, Dimpy.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Hi, everyone. I'm Dimpy Jain from Faridabad. I'm 47, and I'm really super excited for this upcoming competition. And I always wanted to walk on the ramp when I saw Miss Sushmita Sen. So give me a best of luck, guys. I'm doing my walk. Ma'am, actually 120 seconds हो चुके थे, so it was running, so I was just switching it off.
Thank you, Dimpy. Thank you so much. And I would request Shelza to take over.
Good evening to you, Dimpy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you?
Very well, and I'm so amazed at 47. You have amazing figure to carry on. So my
Thank you, ma'am.
compliments to you on that, and so is your energy level. I can already see that you're so excited about being a part of this competition, and you're taking it up seriously. I'm very happy to see that.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
your walk was very nice. Your walk was nice. You posed well. There was good energy level. The only little hint and tip that I will give you is that when you walk, your legs were parallel to one another. Go back to
Okay.
the video and see. So when you walk, if you want to look more desirable on stage, if you want to have better presence on stage as a competitor, then you need to walk like a feline. Feline is catwalk. So how do you do that? You put your one foot ahead of the other, right? So practice doing that, and you have a narrow waist. So the moment you start doing that, your waist will start moving. It will swing sideways, and it will give you more appeal to your walk. Okay. So
Okay.
otherwise, it was wonderful to see you walk. All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dimpy. Thank you so much.
Thank
Next,
you. Thank you, ma'am.
next we have Pradanya. Hi, Pradanya.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Pagana.
Thank you, Pradanya. Thank you so much. Shalza, over to you.
Good evening, Pradanya. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also very good, thank you. And you're wearing a beautiful dress. And I appreciate that you have taken efforts. You've gone to a studio to do your walk, you know, where there is enough space, there is good light, and the flooring is a contrast to your dress. So it enhances your walk. Okay, and you're wearing 5 inches of heel is what I can see, and you've walked very confidently in it. So good job done there. The only little hint that I would give you is that hold your pose. You gave such flirtatious and girly and beautiful, poses with your dress. You played with it, you turned, you swirled. Just hold it for a wee bit longer so that everybody can appreciate that. Otherwise, your makeup, your dress, your heels, your backdrop, everything is very nice. So all the best to you, Pradanya. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pradanya. Next, we have Leena, and post her, the sequence would be Jyotsna, Shalvi, Disha, Preeti, Nikita, and Vishali. Hi, Leena.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Great. All the best.
Hello, everybody. This is Lena, and professionally, I'm a software engineer, and I can say this is the new segment of my career. So let's start. Oh, am I visible? Just give me 2 thumbs up properly. Very ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, yes, Leena, you're perfectly visible. You can start.
As per the MRI, she has a clear PSS, that is the medial patella.
Thank you, Lina. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
How are you, Lina? Good evening to you.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm good.
I am just so enamored by the dress that you're wearing. The stockings have those cotton balls. I don't know what it is, but it's so beautiful. What is that you've draped on your leg? It is going so well with your dress.
It is recognized.
Lovely.
I'm having doubt. It is recognized.
And you are looking beautiful. You walked very confidently in those 5 inches of heels. My only suggestion to you is that when you're taking turn, okay, when you're taking turn, be a little more deliberate and take a stance for a little longer. Okay, आपका जो walk है वो बहुत अच्छा है. It is just that कि वो ऐसा लगता है बड़ा hurried है, जल्दी खत्म हो रहा है. Okay, so while you're going at the pace of the music, it is also very important that you take a stance for a few seconds for people to appreciate you. Okay, so बस आप ये चीज का ध्यान रखें. Otherwise, everything was very nicely executed. All the best, Lina.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lina. Thank you so much. Next, we have Jyotsna. Hi, Jyotsna.
Hello, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jyotsna. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
How are you, Jyotsna? Good evening. Hello, Jyotsna. Good evening to you. How are you? आपकी म्यूट है शायद आवाज.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
So आप बताइए पहले आज आपको कैसा लगा अपना walk? How did you feel when you were walking?
I was feeling like means I'm walking in air in sandals.
आप थोड़े से conscious थे?
I was feeling very confident. What, ma'am?
Were you a
Sorry?
little conscious about your posing? Did you feel that why is this music so long and it should end faster? Did you feel like that? Because it made me feel like that. I thought that, you know, you were getting conscious of walking again and again and you wanted the music to end and it to get finished. So don't let this feeling come. Okay? Because when you get a chance to walk on the stage, it is your moment to shine. So make it an everlasting impression. Okay, so if we are online and we are watching you through the camera, then this is your moment to give your best. Don't get conscious and don't think what everybody is thinking about you. You just concentrate on your act. Just give your best shot, and what people are thinking is not your botheration at all. Because when you start thinking, you lose your expressions, and your expressions convey it all. Why I felt so? Because I felt that that is what you were thinking when you were walking. Otherwise, you walked well, you looked pretty, and you were very confident. The only thing is, walk without any presumptions or having any fear of being judged. Okay, it's a competition. The jury members are very capable and experienced to know the antiques of how it has to be done. So don't bother at all. Be very, very confident and cool about it and just give your best shot. Okay, all the best, Jyotsna. God bless.
Thank you, Jyotsna. Next we have Shalvi. Hi, Shalvi.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. And let's start with your walk.
Okay. Hi, everyone. This is Shalvi Pathania from Himachal Pradesh. Today, I'm going to do ramp walk for you all. Wish me luck. Thank you. Start. Okay.
Thank you, Shalvi. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shalda.
Good evening to you, Shalvi. कैसे हैं आप? Shalvi, can you hear me?
Shalda, I think Shalvi got disconnected.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah, so we'll just proceed.
Yes.
Let's hear it from Disha next. Hi, Disha.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine. How are you, ma'am?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you.
दिशा आपका म्यूजिक सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Thank Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Disha. Thank you so much. Disha, just one hint here that you were supposed to play FCR's official music, जो आपको भेजा गया था, but I think there must has been, you know, some issue there. So I would request Shelda to take over.
कैसे हैं आप दिशा? How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm very good. So what is your observation about your walk? आप बताइए, आप जब वॉक कर रहे थे आपको कैसा लगा?
थोड़ा नर्वस फील हो रहा है.
नर्वस क्यों फील होता है आपको पता है? Being nervous is a very good sign. बहुत अच्छा साइन होता है नर्वस होना, क्योंकि it is an indication कि आप हर चीज अच्छा करना चाहते हैं और you want to impress people in the competition. It's a very good feeling. लेकिन वो नेगेटिव कब हो जाती है? जब हम उस पर कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते and it starts affecting us and it comes on your face. That is why I asked you that how you felt, because I could sense the nervousness in you. Okay, how will you take care of it? You will take care of it by practicing affirmations, by being more positive about yourself. Okay, tell yourself in the morning, nobody is perfect. Nobody means nobody, and you're also one of those who are participating in a competition to win the crown. Don't participate in a competition for the sake of participation. Participate for the sake of winning. So जब आप वो thought से participate करेंगे तो seriousness आएगी, उतने में आप ज़्यादा practice करेंगे, और जब हम कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा practice करते हैं हम अपने आप खुद ब खुद confident हो जाते हैं. Okay, so lack of practice is what has made you nervous today. Okay, so practice more and God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Disha. Thank you. Shelda, Shalvi is here. Would be able to be. Yeah, Shalvi, you can hear from Shelda directly.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ जी शालवी, आपकी वॉक बहुत अच्छी थी, आपने बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली वॉक किया. बस एक चीज मैं आपको बोलना चाहूंगी कि एनर्जी आपका बहुत अच्छा था वॉक करने का. सिर्फ जब आप चलते हैं तो पैर को हल्का रखिए, ठीक है? मतलब जब आप पैर ज्यादा जोर से रखते हैं तो वो सारी ग्रेस वॉक की चली जाती है. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपकी एनर्जी भी कम आनी चाहिए. एनर्जी आपकी बिल्कुल ठीक थी, सिर्फ जो रखने का तरीका है पैर का वो थोड़ा मतलब अथॉरिटेटिव था. अथॉरिटेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए, सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए. अदरवाइज आपका सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. ऑल राइट,
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Thank you, Shalvi. Thank you. Next we have Preeti, and we will be winding up with Nikita and Vishali. Hi, Preeti.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready? Yeah, good. All the best.
Hello everyone. मेरा नाम प्रीति पंकज खंडेलवाल है. मैं कल्याण महाराष्ट्र से हूँ. Let's start. Just a second.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much. Over to you, Shelda.
How are you, Preeti? कैसे हैं आप?
अच्छी हूँ. Fine.
वेरी गुड. आप आज बहुत अच्छा आपने रैंप वॉक किया, पर आप करते करते थोड़ा सा घबरा भी रहे थे और कॉन्शियस भी हो रहे थे. हाँ, सीधा चलते चलते थोड़ा सा पीछे भी चल पड़े थे आप. डिड यू नोटिस? हाँ, सो प्रैक्टिस करिए. एंड प्रैक्टिस करने से, जैसे मैंने इससे पहले मैं दिशा को समझा रही थी कि प्रैक्टिस जब आप करेंगे तो अपने आप आपके स्टांस, आपके पोजेस, खुद ब खुद बेटर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अंदर से आपको खुद कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है. ठीक है ना? You have a beautiful face and God bless you. Practice more.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much. Next, we have Nikita. Hi, Nikita.
Hello.
Hi, Nikita. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Oh.
Thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much. And Shelda, I guess over to you.
Yes. Hello, Nikita. आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? Hello, Nikita. I think she can't hear me, Harry.
No, she can. She's on mute. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. So Nikita, आपने बहुत अच्छा वॉक किया, आपने बहुत अच्छी तैयारी भी करी थी, आपका ड्रेस और with that blazer that you threw when you walked for the first time, I did notice that. So
Yes, ma'am.
good work, आपने अच्छा काम किया. सिर्फ आप जब टर्न करते हैं तब लूज हो जाते हैं. टर्न करते हुए लूज होने का मतलब है कि आपका जो लाइन ऑफ वॉक है उससे आप बाहर चले जाते हैं. So always remember that you don't have to go out of the line of walk. This is a tip for all those who are watching me and hearing me today. So keep that in mind. उससे क्या होता है, ग्रेस हमारी चली जाती है. So hold the pose and that's all. Okay, all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much. And next and the last contestant for the day is Vaishali. Hi, Vaishali.
Last period, दिमाग खराब कर दिया मेरा.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vaishali. Thank you so much. And Shelda, over to you.
Vaishali, your walk was nice. I quite liked it. And the different poses that you gave, the variations were also very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Overall look was good. The only thing is smile more. When you're on the stage, It's good to have a face, that goes with the music and the attitude, but don't forget to smile once at least, especially when you come to the head of the ramp. Okay,
ma'am.
it lightens up the whole look. So all the best to you and God bless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ladies. This brings us to the end. Thank you so much for putting up such a wonderful show. And now, of course, let's take the final words from our jury members. And I would request, of course, Shelza to start.
So today again, I quite enjoyed, Harry, looking at all the pretty girls. And I did see that they are taking my tips seriously, because most of them went out. They kept in mind the space, the backdrop, the light effects. So today I had less of complaints on that. You would have noticed yourself that, they all had put in that effort, and they were dressed up accordingly, and the heels were mostly rightly attired. So I'm very happy with the technicality aspect of the walk. People, the participants are taking it very seriously, and they are putting in effort as the suggestions from my end are coming over. So I think in coming auditions, in the coming rounds, we are going to see more and more seriousness coming. Nevertheless, I enjoyed completely watching the pretty girls walk. They all were very, very good. The marking is very close as per me, and all of them were very good today, all of them. So keep up the good work, girls. Best of luck for the finale.
Thank you, Shelza. I'm sure the evening of the women is already made. And now I would request Sakshi to take over and, give a lot more insights on what can be done and what improvements could be made in terms of your health, your postures, and your fitness. Sakshi, over to you.
Hello, beautiful ladies. Hope you all are doing fabulous today. I saw you all walk, and one second, please. I'm sure your mentors are such, enthusiastic and experienced. I can really see the change in you all. Congratulations to all of us, for that matter. And now I would like to ask, as a nutritionist, are you all having 14 glasses of water every day? Because the event is coming close. Raise your hands if you are. Lovely. Are you having 8 hours of sleep every day? Because we do not want wrinkles. Raise your hands, please. Now, the most important, are you all exercising each day? Because we do not want any slouching. The more you do your exercises, your postures will be up to the mark. I hope you all are doing your workouts, especially strength training and weight training. And last but not the least, are you all eating according to your calorie requirements? Some people need to gain weight, some people need to lose weight, isn't it? So if we are eating according to a calorie requirement, we'll be able to, upgrade ourselves into a personality, visual and mental both, which will, exuberate confidence and charm when you're walking out there on the ramp. So all the very best, ladies. I'll see you around in the sessions at, upcoming sessions with me. All the very best. And I had a fantastic time today. Good luck.
Thank you so much, Sakshi. Thank you so much, Shelza. It was an absolute pleasure and honor having both of you here, and I'm sure the participants are looking forward to see you guys personally in the finale. Thank you so much, and have a lovely evening ahead. Thank you so much. I shall take your leave to have some words with the participants.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you. God bless.